Once you're ready, you can pull away. I'll be watching what's happening behind us. You just focus on the business in front. Okay. Off we go. That's it. Okay. Feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm driving a C250.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, you'll see this is quite quick. So stay to the right for me, please. No, here's fine. Don't cross over the white line. Stay here.
sure.
Right, you see that blue cone?
Yeah.
Next time, that's where we're going to be turning in from. So don't brake.
Okay.
Okay, so you see this yellow cone?
Yes.
We need the car to be close to this yellow cone. So start accelerating from here. Exactly, but keep turning the car. Keep accelerating. At this yellow cone, you must be all the way to the floor. At this one. And brake. Good, brake. Come off the brake and just turn off the brake. Start accelerating gently. Come off the accelerator to the right, to the yellow cone. Squeeze on the power now. And brake. Good. Keep braking. Brake, brake, brake. Off the brake. Okay, we need to be closer to the cones. Alright, to the yellow. Get closer to them. That's it. Focus on the blue cone. Let's go past in the side. Let's go. That's it. To the left. Squeeze on the power. Come off the power. Just turn in. Start squeezing nicely on the power. All the way, all the way. And brake. That's good. Off the brake, off the brake. So when I say off the brake,
Okay.
come off the brake. Okay. So we're gonna let this car pass. That's behind us. So stay to the right. Okay, let's go all the way. Stay to the left now. That's it. Stay flat like that. Yes, keep going. Go, 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 go. Brake. Good braking, just like that. And come off the brake. Yes, wait for the power, wait for the yellow cone. Start gently squeezing on. Keep squeezing till you're all the way. Stay to the right. Yes. And brake. Good. Off the brake. Nice and smooth turn. Gently squeeze on the accelerator. Change direction. Squeeze on. Let's go. All the way. Yes. And brake. Good braking. Off the brake. Get close to that yellow cone. Left. Let's go a little bit. That's it. Focus on the blue cone. Get close to that blue cone. Okay, you can start accelerating gently, more and more till you're all the way. Come off the power. Yes, just turn. Now squeeze on the power. Yes, exactly. And brake. Good. Come off the brake. Just turn the car. Turn more. Start squeezing on the power till you're all the way. Yes. So you see how it wants to spin. I want you to open the steering slowly. Okay? Stay flat. That's it. Brake. Good. Off the brake. Good. Lovely. Start accelerating gently. More. Brake. Off the brake. right. Squeeze on the power. Yes. Brake. Good, good. Off the brake. To the left. To the right. Okay, accelerate gently to the blue cone. That's it, nice. To the yellow, start accelerating. Gently more, stay to the left. Come off the power. Turn, turn, turn. Squeeze on the power now. All the way, all the way. Yes. Brake. Good. Off the brake. Good. Wait for the cone, wait for the cone. Now you can start accelerating. Good, well done. So this is the third lap, lap 3. Stay flat, stay flat. Brake. Oh, good, good braking, good braking. Off the brake, off the brake. Patience, wait. Start gently squeezing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All the way, all the way. Brake. Off the brake. Lovely. Start squeezing gently, not too much. The other direction. Squeeze till you're all the way. Nice. And brake. Good braking. Off the brake. Get it to turn. Left. So ask the car to turn more.
Okay.
To the blue cone. That's it. Squeeze gently on the power. More. So stay to the left here. Now turn it into the right. Just hold it like that. Now squeeze on now. Yes, exactly. Brake.
Harder. Brake, brake.
Off the brake. That's it. Get it to turn first. Squeeze onto the power. Lap 4. Stay flat. Stay flat. And brake. Off the brake. Get it to the yellow. Gently squeeze. Just more, more, more. Till you're all the way. Stay to the right. And brake. Good, good. Off the brake. Get it to turn. Get it to turn. Squeeze on the power gently. Change direction. Keep squeezing. Squeeze, squeeze. All the way. Yes. Brake. Nice and hard. Brake, brake. Off the brake. Patience. Yes. Get it to turn. To the right. So squeeze some power a little bit more, more. Then come off. Yes, smooth. Start squeezing gently. Keep it to the left. Off the power, so turn right. Wait for the yellow cone. Squeeze on all the way. Yes. Great job, great job. And brake. Off the power, off the brake. Patience. Turn, turn, turn. Squeeze onto the power. Great. Doing well. 5. Brake. Good, good, good. Keep braking. Off the brake. So just wait for the cone. Start squeezing onto the power. Till you're flat, squeeze on. Stay to the right. Brake. Off the brake. Squeeze onto the power. Nice, smooth. Change direction. Keep squeezing. Squeezing. Flat. Brake. Off the brake. Lovely. That's what I want to see. To the blue cone, nice and wide. Get it down to the bottom. Come off the power, yes, yes. At the cone you can squeeze on. Yes, exactly. Brake. Off the brake. brake. Yes, just wait, keep turning it, wait, start squeezing on the power till you're all the way. And brake. Off the brake. Smoothly. Change direction, squeeze on the power gently till you're flat. And brake. Off the brake, turn in. Nice and relaxed to the left, to the right. Come off the power, patience, and then slow down for me. Slow down back into the pits. Nice.
It was good experience.
Yeah, very good. Good driving. You were very smooth, very relaxed, which is what you need on track. Well done. Do you see how it's all about being relaxed and smooth? Exactly. Well done. This is your first time on track?
Yeah.
Very good. For first timer, I would have thought you've done some track time before. What do you think of the car? It's good, eh?
Perfect.
Handling?
Amazing. Well, at the beginning, I thought it was slip,
Mm.
but it I think has a traction control.
So it's got X drive.
Okay.
That's why you can be.
Okay.
And also, if you are smooth, traction control doesn't have to interrupt. If you are smooth on the accelerator, it doesn't have to use traction control.
Okay. So I think the cars which are bigger, they have better experience than this. Is it?
So for experienced driving, if you enjoy driving, this would, be sufficient. The faster cars, it will be more drama, shall I say. So everything is louder, noisier, Awesome. Well done.
Awesome. Thank you. My instructor.